everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a first impressions video slash demo slash kind of comparison video on a product I'm super excited about. This, I'm so excited, I don't even know what to call it. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Palette. Like I said, I have been stalking, or did I already say that? I don't know, I've been stalking it on Instagram, and I received this amazing package, which by the way, you just have to see the PR box. Hello. It's like a pinkish purplish with this mint glitter in it. It has the Dream Glow Kit, and they included this little brush with it, which I thought was really cute and nice because I have a highlighter brush I like, but I've never used one like this before. So I'm gonna try it out and we'll see how it is. I know a lot of people use highlighter brushes like this, but I go with the old school fan brush because that's just, I get stuck in my waist. I also wanted to compare it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. I already know they're gonna be very, well, I'm assuming they're gonna be very different because the formulation of their highlighters between this and the holiday collection, which was the Sugar Glow Kit, and the Amrezi or Amrezi, I don't ever know how to pronounce the name, but that highlighter, the formulas of the Sugar Glow Kit and the Amrezi highlighter were buttery and smooth and amazing. And although I thought the Moonchild Glow Kit was also a very nice formula, it does not compare to their recent highlighters. But anyways, we're not doing a review on that today. We're doing a first impressions on this. So let's dive right into it. I'm gonna pull this little tab right here. All right, let's see what we got going on. All right, so here is the palette. I love the packaging, first of all. It's more of a silvery shade, but then it has all these little rainbow iridescent reflective situations going on. And it actually has a texture to it. Has this kind of crack, not literal crack, but like it's got some like cracks in it. It's just a texture. To compare it to the size of the Moonchild palette, the Dream Glow Kit is much bigger than the Moonchild Glow Kit, if you can see that there. How much does this cost? That's a good question. I'm not prepared, clearly. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, what I just looked up on the interwebs, the Moonchild Glow Kit is $40 and the Dream Glow Kit is $45. So the shades in the Moonchild palette look like this, if you want for reference. There's a kind of icy blue shade, a pink shade, an icy green shade, and a couple purple shades and a silver shade in this one. All right, and this one, let me get this plastic thing out. Okay, this one is glorious. This has so many, oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay, this one has so many different shades. Let's just open it and compare it because I just showed you guys, but we'll do it again. So many different shades. You've got an orange shade, a pink shade. The pink shade in here it looks a little bit more subtle right here. And obviously the pink shade in here is, why can't I point to this, is right here. So first impression, just seeing it in the pan, so beautiful. They look really pigmented. I am really excited actually to take some photos of these in lower light and see them shine. But so far, it looks like this shade here, Wish, is more of a champagne shade is what it looks like just in the pan. The shade Unicorn looks like I just said, like a pink shade with some fuchsia kind of sparkles in there. The Magic shade, I can't tell what that is. Silver, but has some either silver or purple lavender sparkles in it. I can't really decide what's going on there. Ethereal is a very pretty lavender shade. Sunshine looks like a very, very gold shade. And Regal looks like a peachy orange type of shade, corally. I don't really know what I'm even talking about anymore. But what shade should we try? I'm gonna go for Ethereal because I can't get enough of this lavender shade right here. The Magic shade is also, it looks really interesting to me. It is, like I said, that kind of silvery, but has this greenish, ashy tint to it with a little bit of purple. Maybe I'll have to try this on the other cheek. All right, we're gonna try this on one cheek, this on the other cheek, this Magic shade on the other cheek. Let's start with Magic. I'm really curious about this shade. All right, I'm gonna take my brush. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. I'm gonna go into this Magic shade. First impressions, just looking at it, the glitter in the pan, if you can see, looks thicker, like it looks a little bit chunky, but I don't know. I'm gonna go into this All right, let's try this. I'm kind of nervous. I never do first impressions. How does this work? I just spit at the camera, so we're already succeeding. I don't even have a mirror. What was I thinking? Okay. All right, I'm back with a mirror. Let's try this. I'm kind of nervous, you guys. Because I always get nervous, like, what if I don't like it? It's a moment of truth. Ooh! Wait a minute. Okay, this one looks like that pinkish purple glitter I was talking about earlier is coming through on this. I don't see any of that kind of silvery greenish color that I was talking about, like how it looks in the pan, which could have gotten funky, but on the skin, it gives more of this. It does have some of that silver shade, but it doesn't look green on the skin. I'm gonna try a different brush just for good measure. This brush is from Beach Cosmetics. It is this intense fan brush that I'm obsessed with. I'm just gonna swipe it in there. I'm gonna see how this goes on. I love this brush for highlight because I feel like it gives you, I don't know, I'll just do it. You guys can see. Yeah. Yes. Come through. I do like this brush. If you guys are used to these types of brushes, this is a really good brush. It is nice and fluffy. This one just gave more of a glitter, but this one is giving the glow. It is serving it up on a literal silver platter on my face. There's something about blending with this fan brush. It came with a whole different set. I don't know if you can get it individual. I will link it down in the description box for you guys. It really blends the product into the skin, so it gives this really nice natural glow and it doesn't look like a streak or a ton of glitter. I'm so obsessed so far. Let's try this Ethereal Shade because I cannot get enough of this purple right here, this lavender. Ethereal, that's what it's called. Let's go in to that. Should I try it with the Anastasia? I'm gonna give this one more chance just so we can get a comparison. And I'll do more of a close-up on this. You could tell it looks really nice and really beautiful, but I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can't zoom you in. Sorry about my pores. Actually, I'm not sorry about my pores. It's part of me. So you can see with this brush, it does give more of a glitter. I don't really mind that in itself. Like, I think it still looks really beautiful and I like the consistency, but let's go into it with this brush. And I go all in. I put a lot on there. I'm nervous. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Sorry. I'm being extra, but oh my. It is so beautiful though. I am like glowing to the gods. The aliens in outer space are reading me right now, because my brows look all messed up, so they're really reading me, but they are, oh my gosh. It really blends into the skin and looks like glowing skin. Like, I don't know how else to explain it, but look, that is some serious highlight. Let me zoom back out so you can see it like you would see it in real life. Normally we don't talk this close to people's faces. So oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. There's some serious Maleficent action happening here with these cheekbones right now. They are protruding from my face at the moment. And I definitely layered up. I put a lot on the brush, but in the pan, it almost looks like I didn't even make a dent. Like, it looks like, I mean, obviously you can see because of some of the fallout. But other than that, it doesn't look like I even made a dent in it. I'm so in love with this. So my first impression of this, using the Magic Shade and the Ethereal Shade, I mean, I'm gonna give it, I don't know, what can you give it, 100 out of 100? I don't even know. I'm loving this. This is without putting on setting spray, which I'm gonna do in a minute so you can see it like brighten that right up. But oh my gosh, first impressions, totally in love. I'm gonna put another shade over this one because this one's silver, so I feel like I could put another one on it and we can play around. Let's try, what do you want to try, the pink? Should we try the pink? Okay, let's try the pink. All right. Maybe I should put the pink one over the purple one. That would make more sense. Okay, we're gonna do the pink. And we're sticking with this brush. Are you ready for this? Adding a little extra. So you can't really tell because of over the purple, but oh wait, yeah, you can. This is like, you could probably see a reflection in my cheekbones right now. I'm also gonna try this Wish shade right here. I'm putting way too much on this brush and I don't even care. No regrets. Okay. Okay, loving the Wish shade. The Wish shade, as you can see, is a very natural looking shade where I'm just like full of highlighter right now. Look at this. Woo! But the Magic shade was a little bit more on the silver side, where the Wish shade is very like a champagne nude shade. First impression in the pan, was a little worried. Thought it might be a little glittery. On the skin, blown away. If you have the Moonchild palette or glow kit and you want a comparison, these formulas to me are really different. I would have to look at the ingredients, but just on the face, I feel like they're really different. The Moonchild palette for me, these were really amazing, but I needed a little bit of setting spray because my skin is so dry that they were a little bit powdery. Nothing I was disappointed with or nothing I didn't like. It was just, that's how highlighters usually are on my skin, to be honest with you, is a little bit powdery just because my skin is so dry. So if you have that same problem, this does not do that obviously on the skin. Also, I think it has to do with what brushes you use. So that of course is, you know, can make a difference. But I would compare the formula, the Dream Glow Kit, with the Sugar Glow Kit. So if you got the Sugar Glow Kit over their holiday collection, the formulas are very similar, but obviously the colors are very different. I have only good things to say about it. And I'm just in love with it. Anyways, I'm gonna spray some setting spray. This is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. Is this even it's a Daily Defense Makeup Mist. I've really been loving this stuff because it is really hydrating. It doesn't just dry up my skin or make anything look patchy. I'm gonna spray this on. Oh, that was a little close. Oh, that feels so good. It's hot in here. Okay, as you can see, I am now radioactive. I don't know what this is. Either way, I look like I'm glowing. It looks like I've got hydrated, fresh skin over top this dried, cracked Sahara Desert skin. Run, do not walk to get yourselves one of these because this is, I would highly recommend this product. So, but yeah, I think that is it for this first impressions video. If you liked this type of first impressions video, you can give it a thumbs up. Say hey girl, hey down in the comments box because you know I love talking to you. Also, tell me what you guys think about this palette. Are you gonna get it? Not gonna get it? Do you love it? Do you not love it? Is it a little out of your comfort zone with all of these wild colors? Let me know down in the comment section because I'm dying to know whether or not you're getting this. If you already got it, if you ordered it the minute you saw it touch the skin. That sounded a little bit creepy. Is it? Now we're definitely getting awkward. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time.